All right, so for the last couple of days, we were going over how to name compounds, both ionic and covalent. So, what we're going to be doing today is what's called a dihydrogen monoxide project. That means that we're going to watch a couple of videos. I would like for you to kind of take a quick look at the memes that are attached to the project as well. And then we are going to create a presentation either for or against a ban on dihydrogen monoxide. And this is something that was presented at one point to a government body. So there is some seriousness to this project, but all in all, this is kind of a fun project. This isn't meant to be uh, taken seriously. So let's go ahead. We'll watch our first video. All right, so that was our first video. Our second video is a little bit more dramatic, so you're going to have to excuse the voice.
Dihydrogen monoxide is a chemical which is colorless, odorless, and kills uncounted thousands of people each year. Most deaths are caused by the accidental inhalation of dihydrogen monoxide, but the danger does not end there. Thousands of American companies dump millions of gallons of dihydrogen monoxide into our lakes, streams, and oceans each year. Nothing can be done because this practice is still legal. Dihydrogen monoxide is used as an industrial solvent and coolant used in the manufacture of styrofoam, fire retardant, and pesticides, as well as in the nuclear power industry.
Symptoms of dihydrogen monoxide ingestion include sweating, vomiting, body electrolyte imbalance as well.
Last year, 3,482 people died as a result of dihydrogen monoxide ingestion.
If we don't act now, thousands more will die.
All right. So if you were really quick to catch that, you're going to be looking at either banning or not banning dihydrogen monoxide. So we are going to be making presentations. The only modification to our virtual is that we're not going to be working in groups. That's going to be taken off the field. Everybody's going to be doing something individual. So for virtual, that's off the table. Again, you're going to choose a side. Are you for or against banning dihydrogen monoxide? So you're going to have to notify me either through your email, Google Meet, or through your GoGuardian chat bubble. Once you get to this point, tell me which side you choose, and then I will go ahead and I will assign you your CER that goes with this. Either way, both CERs, you need to provide a title slide, either, for or against. You're going to have 3 slides that show evidence. Evidence can be looked up on Google. You also have to make sure you have your reasoning behind it. So why is this good evidence for you? This will be presented. And mainly this will be presented in Flipgrid. So there will be a link that will record your presentation. Your overall points will be 30 points. And this is going to be graded on how well did you present. Is your evidence sufficient or is it not? If you have a moderate presentation, that means your presentation was good. You may have one evidence that wasn't really well based. It didn't have a good reasoning behind it. And exceptional is going to mean that all three of your evidence had really good reasonings. It had really good delivery, and your point was very clear and focused. So let me go ahead and pull up Flipgrid real quick. Flipgrid, some of y'all may remember this from middle school or from a previous class, but with your particular link, you will add a video, and your videos will appear in the bottom left-hand corner. And so it's taking a little bit longer than what I'd really like. Okay, I'll use the example from the class I already have up. So you would go ahead and click on Flipgrid. You'd click on Add Video. And to present your presentation, there should be an Options button. There you go, and you can kind of see me. You'd click on Record Screen, Start Screen, and then here you go. You can actually record your screen. So make sure that when you record, you're recording your presentation. So with nothing really else to do, this is what we're doing today. There is going to be a fire drill at 3:40. So Go Guardian will be off at 3:40. So if there's any questions, email me, Google Meet, Go Guardian chat. Let me know. And y'all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.